Hi guys, here we are at the Dollar Tree, and I thought we would scroll through their books real quick before leaving the store. Okay, so let's take a look, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day today. All right, so this one I think is, let me see, Daddy Stop Talking. Oh wow. Okay, so I know that's a new book, guys. So then this one says, How Hard Can It Be? Then this one is the Quinceañera book. This is in Spanish, guys. So then this one says Spoils. And then this one here says, Can I Go Now? And this is the Guide to Gluten-Free Food. Then some of these are not new, so I already showed you. So this is How to Be Famous. Then this one over here says Carter's Unfocused One-Track Mind. I think that's a new book, guys. Then this one here says The Charmers, Elizabeth Alden, bestseller. That's a new book. Then this one, it says Going Off Script. Okay, that's a new book. Let me see, because I don't want these things to fall down, guys. So let me see if I can straighten some of these guys out. And I don't know, I think it stops right there. Okay, so then this one says The Edge. Okay, and then this says Sprinkle, that one's not new. Sprinkle Glitter on My Grave. That's what that one looks like. That one's not new. So this one says Turbo 23, and this one's new. The Expatriates. I don't know, guys. I hope I said that right. So then this one here, okay, this is not new. It says Stitch It for Fall. This, I always say that, guys. It makes a nice gift for people who like crocheting and stitching. Okay, so this is not new. This says Miracles and what? In Shrewpart. And then The Invisible Life of, that's not new. Okay, let me see what this one is. So this is Indian Cookery, guys. That's a new book. That's actually interesting. And then Confusing, the Confusion of Languages. And then this one says Pillar to the Sky. Okay, so let's move down here. This is How Hard Can It Be? These were all straightened out, guys, but all right, Dream Forever. So let's start on this side. So here it says Dance in a Whirl of Chance. And this one says The Guardians by Sarah Manguso. Let me show you that. I think that's a new book. Okay, so then they have that's The Guardians, and this says White Bone. I'm not sure. I think that's a new book, guys. Then you have this one, Chocolate Modeling Cake Toppers. This is really nice. That's not new. I showed that to you before. How Can I Be Famous? Then this one, Night Play. That one is a new book, guys. This one says Wild Nights. How Taming Sleep Created Our Restless World. That's a new book. Then here, Coal Barrel Zero. Then this one says Housebroken. That's new. And this one on Living, Carrie Egan. And then here's the Kathy Gifford book. Then here is Jersey Girl. That's not new. The Vengeance of Mothers. Okay, and then this one says Dream Forever. And this one, guys, says Say No to the Bro. Yeah, that's a new book, guys. Okay, so this says Avengers. Okay, and then this here, this is new. That's called Refuge, a novel. This is Dina Neri. So we have this one, Dark at the Crossing. So then we have here The Vengeance of Mothers, Sleep Revolution. This one I just showed you. This one says breakfast. So here's some breakfast recipes. Okay, and then this one, guys, Marshall's Law. I think that's a new book, guys. And this one says Wonder Quilts. That was here. The Dark at the Crossings. The Skinny Grill. I think I showed you that. Then they have Confessions of a High School Disaster. Along the Infinite Sea. Love, Live, and Enjoy Life. The Fortress. Danielle. Trucini. Age of Ambition. Chasing Fortune, Truth, Faith in the New China. That's not new. The High Places. Anyone Who's Anyone. This one is Merchants in the Temple. Then you have this one, The Secret of Golf. And then this one is Yeah Baby. Mastering Pregnancy and Having a Healthy Baby and Bouncing Back. That seems like a nice book. Okay, Music of the Ghosts. And then this one is Michael Connolly, Two Kinds of Truth. I think that's new. Then you have this one. Then these guys are levels of school books, like insects, reptiles, space. Okay, those are for kids. And then this one says Fragrance of the Lost. I think that's a new book. Then you have Life After Darkness. Heroines, Mercy Street. That looks like it's new. This one says Who is Rich? This is the Ford Nation. That's not new. And some more of the kids' books. So let's see what's down here. So it says here, Your Heart is a Muscle the Size of a Fist. I think that's a new book. So then this one is a new book also. Vasa, a novel in the in the night. Sarah Porter. Then this one is a new book also. Story Thieves Pick the Plot. Mike Lupica, The Last Man Out. That's a new book. And then this one seems like a new book, Time to Shine. Nikki Carter. And this one is A Conspiracy of Tall Men. That's not new. Here's one called Tradition. The Museum of Heartbreak. I think that's new. The Museum of Heartbreak. Then you have Teddy. This is called The Plan. Okay, this one's called Purity, a novel. I showed you that. JJ, what is this? Sugar Impact Diet. Okay, then you have this one. North from Rome. I think that one's new. Gavin Scott, The Age of Olympus. Okay, Not If I See You First. Look at this one. I think this one's new. Broadwalk Summer. Michelle Dalton. Okay, this one's called Winning. Okay, so this one is called Inside the Maze Runner and Recreated. I think that's a new book, guys. And then here you have some of your chicken soup books and then the Rift at the end. So if we come here, oh, look at this. I think this is new, 2 and 2. Okay, so we come down here. This one is Anyone Who's Anyone. That one is new. That's knitting. That's self-portrait photography. This one is Strange Truth. A Terrorist Train and 3 American Heroes. Okay, that's the new book, I think. This is Stacy London, The Truth. About Style. Let me see. I think this one is new too. Let's see. Oh no, I showed this to you. Okay. This one is called Weekend Wonder Detox. Then you have See All the Stars. What's this one? RFK Jr. Robert F. Kennedy Jr., The Dark Side of the Dream. And here you have some dress-up gingerbread. That's kind of cute. Okay, and then we have Blackout. I don't know if that's a new book, guys. Blackout. And then that's pretty much it. Revenge of the Nerd. I think that's a new book too. Guys, I thought I'd show you the book section at the Dollar Tree. It's a very small section. So then over here you do have your word puzzles right next to that. You have your Sudoku, and then you have your large or your giant crossword puzzles. You have some magazines, and you have all of the kids' bedtime storybooks all along the bottom here. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar Tree to check out their books, and I will see you in the next video.